So it's just started basically after the rate cut. We can see that silver, copper, and gold are all up, and obviously a rate cut is pretty bullish for the metals, but still we have only good volatility for silver and copper. Gold is still not such a good enough volatility for me to consider. So if we take a look at silver, this is the CVOL, the commodity volatility index. I'm always looking at the previous 3 months. Silver is relatively high. As you can see, copper is also relatively, well, it's not as good as silver, but it's closer to the highs, which I'm pretty happy with. Then we have gold, which is, which is closer to the lower range currently for the volatility. Now, what I think is going to happen, obviously we will have some pullbacks, volatilities will fall. I ended up opening a position on copper, and you can see copper went up quite a bit today, and silver as well. I wanted to open a position on silver as well, but the price just exploded to all-time highs, and it's extremely oversold, as you can see here, where copper is basically not oversold at all if you look at the RSI. And with that, silver is very sensitive to the dollar as well, and the dollar is, well, it's not sorry, the silver and the copper are they're overbought, not oversold, and the dollar is not yet oversold, but usually when it gets just closer to the 30 RSI level, it tends to kind of bounce around. But we'll see what's going to happen. For now, I do have an active position on copper and silver. For now, I'm not opening anything unless we have some nice pullback. Then I might open a position. Price just moved up way too quickly, and I'm not able to get what I want to get at this point. So I don't want to force it, obviously. And gold, obviously, if volatility, if it goes up a bit more, volatility goes up, then we might have a situation where we can open a position. For now, it doesn't seem that way, but silver and gold are pretty correlated, so I would only really open either one or the other, never both of them at the same time. And copper obviously is in its own dimension for the most part. So we'll see what's going to happen. Price is pretty high for copper, and I did sell some puts on copper. So if price is going to reverse, I do expect volatility to fall down and our position to benefit from it. So we'll see what's going to happen. It's a very small position. I've only risking about 1% of the account to make 1%, so should be okay. Thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll keep these updates coming every day. But for now, only 2 products, silver and copper, are still in the main picture. They are the ones that have the kind of the best volatility currently, outside of natural gas, which we don't trade in winter time, obviously, which had a crazy move today. But again, thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.